A watertight integrity drawing for a vessel is a detailed document that provides information about the watertight compartments and structural arrangements of a ship to ensure its safety in the event of flooding or water ingress. The primary purpose of such drawings is to illustrate the vessel's design features related to watertight integrity, helping to prevent or mitigate the consequences of water ingress. Key information provided in a watertight integrity drawing may include compartmentation. The drawing typically shows the subdivision of the vessel into various compartments, each with specific watertight boundaries. The compartments are designed to contain any water ingress and prevent it from spreading throughout the entire vessel. Watertight bulkheads. The location, design, and construction details of watertight bulkheads are highlighted. Watertight bulkheads are walls or partitions that are designed to prevent water from moving freely throughout the ship. Watertight doors. The positions of watertight doors, their types, and their operational mechanisms are often depicted. Watertight doors are crucial for controlling the flow of water between compartments. Hull penetrations. Information about watertight penetrations through the hull, such as openings for pipes, cables, and other services, is included. These penetrations are equipped with watertight fittings to prevent water ingress. Drainage systems. Details about the ship's drainage systems, including scuppers and drains, are often part of the watertight integrity drawing. These systems are designed to remove water that may enter the deck or other areas. Freeboard and draft. The drawing may provide information on the vessel's freeboard, the distance between the waterline and the main deck, and draft, the depth of the vessel's keel below the waterline. Critical design dimensions. Critical dimensions related to watertight integrity, such as the height of openings above the waterline, may be specified. Emergency closure procedures. Some watertight integrity drawings include information on emergency closure procedures for watertight doors and other openings. Watertight integrity drawings are essential for ship design, construction, and operation, as they help ensure the vessel's ability to maintain stability and buoyancy in the event of a breach in the hull. They are part of the overall safety measures implemented in marine engineering to protect the crew, passengers, and the vessel itself.